scale and extrude. Yes, I know, I also hate theoretical stuff, but this one is important. Modeling operations like scale and extrude are relative to the mesh scale. It is not absolute in world coordinates. What does this mean? First, some navigation again. Let's create a cube. Object mode is the mode in which you work with the objects. Edit mode is the mode in which you can modify the geometry. Let's create another cube and put it aside as a reference. And let's scale this cube here, let's say in X size, in X value to another size. Let's type in R for scale, X, and type in, let's say, 5.13. And in the last operator panel, you can read now the factor. You can read here vector. This means this value here, 5.13, is a vector which is relative to the initial scale. The cube itself has the double amount because the initial cube was 2 at 2 at 2. Now let's apply scale again. Apply scale resets the scale values to 1 without changing the size of the geometry. Apply, also object, apply, scale, and then our values are 1 again. The dimensions are still the same. When you scale now again, let's do it again. Let's type in R, X, 5.12. Then you have not the double amount, but a much bigger amount, because it is a factor based at the vector 1, the scale here. Let's trash these cubes. Let's show you another consequence of this. Let's create a new cube. And now let's scale our cube in Z. Whoops, that was R set 0.1. 0.1 I said. Here we are. Okay. The scale in Z is 0.1. And when we enter edit mode now and extrude out these two faces, let's do this, tools, and use extrude individual, then you can see that the side face extrudes much bigger or much more than the top face, because in this direction the scale is 0.1 and not 1. And this is the reason for this short intermezzo, because what I wanted to point at is, let's undo this. You first have to apply scale before you enter modeling, so that the scale values are 1, 1, 1. And now when we enter edit mode and repeat the action, then the extrude has the same amount into all directions.